about possession in Hindi. Okay, let's see how we make possession in English first so we can understand it. So in English you say I have a book, or you say I have a home, or you say my home, my brother's home. Okay, so these are all possession. I have, you possess a book, you possess a home. My home, it's my home. My brother is also a possession, and brother's home is also a possession. So apostrophe s is also a possession. So these are few possessions in English. Let's see how we make this possession in Hindi. Okay, so in Hindi we use ka ke ki, ka ke and ki with the subject. Okay, so ka meaning it is masculine singular. The things you are about to possess is masculine singular. For example, if I say मैं plus का become मेरा, so whatever you are possessing, it should be masculine singular, like मेरा घर. Okay, so if I say मैं plus के, it's masculine plural. So you will say मेरे, so you have to make it plural. So like मेरे घर, my homes. It's घर is type 2 masculine, so it won't change. Okay, let's see some more example. मेरी, so मेरी is मैं plus का, मैं plus की is मेरी. So you will say मेरी बहन, my sister, मेरी बहन. Okay, मैं plus की मेरी मेज, my table, मेरी मेज. So this is feminine. Okay, so you have का, के, की. का meaning masculine singular, के meaning masculine plural, की meaning feminine singular and plural. Okay. Okay, let's see how we make it pronoun singular. Okay, the first one is मैं plus का. So मैं plus का is मेरा, मैं plus की is मेरी, मैं plus के is मेरे. Okay. तू plus का is तेरा, तू plus की is तेरी, तू plus के is तेरे. Okay, that is how it changes. So, and you need to always remember that these things, tera, mera, meri, mere, it doesn't depend on the subject, gender of the subject. It depends on the things that you possess, the gender of the things that you possess. So, mera ghar. So I don't know the gender of the subject. I know the gender of the things that you possess. I don't know if it's male or female who possess a house. मेरी किताब, my book. A male can say my book like this, मेरी किताब. A female can say मेरी किताब. मेरे बच्चे, my children. Okay, तू plus तेरा. So तू is singular, but this is not very polite. So it's a intimate one. So तू plus का will become तेरा. So तेरा, तेरा घर, तेरा नाम, your name, तेरी कुर्सी, your chair. Okay. Okay, so मैं प्लस का इज मेरा, मैं प्लस की इज मेरी, मैं प्लस के इज मेरे, तू प्लस का इज तेरा, तू प्लस की इज तेरी, तू प्लस के इज तेरे. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो सिंगुलर वन, प्रोनाउन सिंगुलर. यह प्लस का, ये प्लस का विल बिकम इसका. ओके, इसका, ये प्लस की इज इसकी. यू हैव टू मेमोराइज दिस. ये प्लस के इज इसके. वो प्लस का समथिंग फार फ्रॉम यू. सो दिस इज फार, दिस इज क्लोज टू यू. सो समथिंग इसका, इसका नाम, हिज नेम इज इसका नाम. आई कैन से इसका नाम. इसकी किताब, इसके शहर, his cities. Okay, वो का प्लस उसका, उसका, वो प्लस का इज उसका बच्चा, his kid, his child. उसकी माँ, his mother or her mother. उसके पापा. So papa is singular, but you are giving respect to papa. That is why you are using it as plural. So उसके पापा, उसकी मम्मी, उसके, उसका बच्चा. So it can be his or her. His or her. We don't know the gender of the person who has the kid or who has mom, dad. So it's always like his or her. इसका नाम, somebody close to you, his or her name. His or her. His or her city. Okay. Okay, let's see the pronoun plural. So pronoun plurals are हम प्लस का is हमारा. So हमारा मकान is our house. Okay, and if I want to say हमारी, हमारी, our, हमारी कक्षा, our class, हमारे बच्चे, our kids, our children. Okay, आपका is your, is polite, very formal. You can use it for one person, but it is plural, always plural. आपका घर कहाँ है? आपका नाम क्या है? So that is how you say आपका नाम क्या है? आपका घर कहाँ है? और आपकी किताब, your book. आपकी किताब कहाँ है? Where is your book? Okay. तुम्हारा. So this ma is have. तुम्हारा. So तुम्हारी मेज, your table. I don't know your, तुम्हारी is male or female. It's तुम्हारी मेज, तुम्हारा नाम, your name. Okay. इनका, somebody close to you but plural, you are giving respect, or they are, it's like they, there, इनका is there, people close to you. इनका घर बड़ा है, their house is big, इनका घर. Okay, उनका meaning also there but people far from you, so there, उनका नाम, their name. You are saying their name, just one person too. Sometimes you use for one person to give respect. Whenever you give respect, you make it plural. Okay, so you can say उनका नाम राम है, इनका घर बड़ा है, so their house is big. You are talking about one person. So it depends, you can talk about one person giving respect, making plural, or you can just use it for plural people. Okay, so हमारा, आपका, तुम्हारा, इनका, उनका. So here I want to show you again, तुम्हारा is तुम हारा, तुम हारे, तुम हारी. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, what is your name? So that is how you make sentences. Okay, so now we will see more examples with my home. So home is masculine singular, so that is why you will say मेरा घर. You can be a male or female, it doesn't matter. It matters that it should agree with the मेरा. Her home or his home is same thing. So her home is, you will say वो plus का is उसका, and then घर, उसका घर. Your home, okay, let's use तुम्हारा. So तुम plus का is तुम्हारा घर. घर is still masculine singular. There is वे plus का is उनका, and then घर. Whose home? किसका. So किस is कौन plus का is किस, किसका, किसका घर. Family's name. So family meaning परिवार, परिवार का नाम. So when you don't have the pronouns, you have like the nouns, then you will use का separately. Like books price, किताब is feminine, किताब की कीमत. कीमत is feminine, that is why किताब की कीमत. Girl's home. So girl is feminine and home is masculine. So you will say लड़की का घर, because this का is agreeing with the घर. Boys food, so both are masculine. लड़के का खाना, लड़के का खाना. I can say खाना again. लड़के का खाना. So लड़का will become लड़के whenever you have a ending here, it changes to a. Okay. One more place where we use kake ki is like when you say silk sari, we have to say in Hindi silk sari. So meaning silk ki sari. Okay. So we use kake ki. Ginger tea, अदरक की चाय instead of adrak chai. Washington, Wisconsin people. So you will say Wisconsin के लोग. Book shop. So book shop. Book is किताब की दुकान. Okay. ठीक है. So every time का के की is agreeing with the things that it possesses. Okay. It's agreeing with these things. Okay. Okay. So let's try some substitutional drill. Okay. क्या ये आपका घर है? Is this your home? Okay. So now try with class. Is this your class? So I will say क्या ये आपकी कक्षा है? Kaksha is feminine. Okay. Is this your shoes? क्या ये आपके जूते हैं? ये masculine plural, then everything changed. Okay. Big chair. Is this your big chair? क्या ये आपकी बड़ी कुर्सी है? Okay. So kursi is feminine. That is why it's badi adjective change and aapki also change. Sister. Is this your sister? क्या ये आपकी तुम्हारी तेरी बहन है? Formal, casual, intimate. Okay. Okay. Like this is Ram's table. ये राम की मेज है. Let's substitute it with big office. तो ये राम का बड़ा दफ्तर है. Okay. Number 2. So the question will be, these are Ram's cheap chairs. Okay. In English also it's not this is, but these are, because it's plural. Okay. So you will say ये राम की सस्ती कुर्सियाँ हैं with a dot. Okay, everything is plural. ये is plural, ये is plural. सस्ती is feminine, adjective also change. Everything change. So these are Ram's expensive shirts. ये राम की महंगी कमीजें हैं. Okay, number 4 is also plural. These are Ram's good clothes. ये राम के अच्छे कपड़े हैं. So the key is also that you should know the gender of the things, gender of the nouns. So like office is daftar and this is masculine singular. Chair is kursi feminine. Shirts is kameez feminine. Clothes kapda masculine. So this is daftar type 2 masculine, kursi type 1 kursi kursiya, kameez kameeze, kapda kapde. So that is how it's making plural and changing. Okay, let's do some more. Possession. Okay, possession of movable objects के पास. So the things that you can sell or buy, hire or fire, you use के पास. Okay, so the things you can say like book you can sell or buy, so that will take के पास. I have a book, you will say के पास. So I have a book. You possess a book, you can sell or buy, that is why के पास. मेरे पास किताब है. It never changed to मेरी पास or anything else. So के पास is your postposition. And when you say मैं plus के will become मेरे पास. तू plus के is तेरे. So तेरे पास किताब है. It never changed to तेरी और तेरे whenever you have pass. So तेरे पास, मेरे पास, हमारे पास, उसके पास, इसके पास, सबके पास. So it's always के पास. Okay, so मेरे पास घर है. I have a home. But can you say मेरे पास माँ है? मेरे पास माँ है, like you own a mother? No, you cannot say. But के पास meaning also like things that is close to you. In that sense you can say like I have mother like close to me, then you can say मेरे पास माँ है. But मेरी माँ है because it always say मेरी माँ है. My mother, I have a mother, मेरी माँ है. Okay, so then you say okay, let's try some more. I have 3 pens. So pens you can sell or buy. So you can say मेरे पास 3 पेन हैं. I have many shoes. मेरे पास बहुत जूते हैं. I have everything. मेरे पास सब कुछ है. I have nothing. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. Okay. Okay, so now it's your turn. Write your answer. Write your answer. आपके पास क्या क्या है? Okay, तो I can say मेरे पास किताब है, मेरे पास घर है, मेरे पास कुर्सी है, मेरे पास मेज है, मेज है. So that is how you say मेरे पास मेज है. Okay, let's do some more. हमारे पास we have some money. हमारे पास कुछ पैसा है. Okay, मेरे पास with I it will be मेरे पास कुछ पैसा है. पैसा और पैसे हैं. It depends what you want to use. Okay, you तुम्हारे, तुम्हारे पास. He उसके पास. Those women उन औरतों के पास. You आपके पास. Who किसके पास. Okay. Okay. Ask this question. Do you have the Hindi book? So you will answer हाँ मेरे पास हिंदी की किताब है. Do you have a blue shirt? नहीं, मेरे पास नीली कमीज नहीं है. Does she have food? हाँ, उसके पास खाना है. Does she have a cycle? हाँ, उसके पास साइकिल है. Okay, now practice these sentences and there are more activities with this video. Please do that and then proceed to the next video. Thank you.